Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to install your Kubuntu on your from your disk, so on Mac. So for doing that, first thing you just need to turn on your computer and just tap on Alt if you have Windows keyboard, or on Option if you have macOS keyboard. So after also your CD-ROM just eject your disk. So after you just need to put it inside, and after just wait until you will see here your disk. So let's wait until it will load, and we will be able for running it. So here you can see now you just need to choose it and just tap on enter or just click on it. So now we just need to wait until it will load our system. So let's wait. So you need to wait because sometimes it take more time to just load the system on your Mac. So let's wait until we will see. So after you will see like this window, so here you just need to choose your language. Here you just need to choose try Kubuntu, or you can also just install it and follow all the instructions. So now you just need to wait until it will load Kubuntu, and you will be able for using that in test version, or after just install it with second option. Here you can see that. So let's just wait. So after you will see like this one. So now it's loading. We just need to wait. after it will load the system. So after you select this one,